Well. Welcome to this vlog again. Still on those of Akol. A lot of reactions. Pato Loverboy said, wait, 2 punches, man down up to the hospital. Acholi, right though. So that is from Pato Loverboy. So brief, but then you can feel it. Then a media practitioner who is well known by a man Chan Robinson, Chan, who hails from Kilgore municipality, he said, according to parliamentary investigation, Akol's punch carried a weight of 65 kilograms and moved at a speed of 182 kilometers per hour. The missed punches tore Zaake's jacket. Missed punches tore Zaake's jacket. A dietitian claims that for one to have such levels of energy, they needed to have eaten utiguluoka mixed with wanjere and 1 pound of konkal. Akol is yet to confirm his diet of Wednesday morning, which carried the punch. So this is from Robinson Chen, who is I think he's joking. And then we need to have fact checks now on this thing. Let's find out what is the maximum weight a punch carries. The maximum weight a punch carries. Let's find out. I'm not a scientist, but then it's worth fact checking. In a combat sport or martial arts, the concept of maximum weight in a punch typically refers to the highest amount of force or impact that a punch can deliver. This is influenced by factors like the puncher's body mass, martial strength, speed, and technique. The force of a punch is measured in units like pounds of force, that is lbf, or newtons, that is N. On average, an untrained person like Akol can deliver a punch with a force of approximately 150-250 lbf, that is 667 to 1111 newton. Trained athletes such as professional boxers can achieve much higher impact forces. Research has shown that some professional fighters can deliver punches with forces exceeding 1000 lbf, around 4448 newton or more. The actual maximum weight or a force a punch can reach varies greatly depending on the individual's training, physical condition, and punching technique. Let's also go deeper and find out what is the maximum energy in a punch, because people have been making jokes on WhatsApp. What. Let's get to the actual science, the maximum, so you can assume where a call can fall. The maximum energy in a punch depends on various factors, including the puncher's body mass, like it was said before, speed, technique, and training. Energy in a punch can be calculated using the kinetic energy formula, where E is the kinetic energy measured in joules. Then the mass of the fist and forearm is also calculated typically between 2 to 5 kilograms. Then the velocity of the punch also measured in meters per second. Now let's take a look deeper. A strong trained boxer or martial artist can deliver a punch with energy levels that range from about 100 to 400 joules. Exceptional athletes with optional technique and speed can exceed this range. For instance, heavyweight boxers or mixed martial artists may reach energy levels above 500 joules or more. To put it into perspective, a punch with energy around 400 to 500 joules is comparable to the energy required to lift a 50 kilogram weight 1 meter off the ground. Now, what if we were to convert the energy into kilocalories of metabolizable energy? To convert the kinetic energy of a punch into the kilocalories of metabolic energy, you need to understand that 1 joule is equivalent to approximately 0.0000239 kilocalories of metabolizable energy. If we take a punch with 400 joules of kinetic energy, the conversion to kilocalories is as follows. 400 joules multiplied by 0.000239 kilocalories of metabolizable energy per joule is equal to 0.096 kilocalories of metabolizable energy. This means that the energy in a powerful punch is about 0.096 kilocalories. However, the body is not 100% efficient in converting chemical energy into kinetic energy. The metabolic energy expenditure required to produce a punch is much higher than the kinetic energy output. Human muscles are genetically only 20 to 25% efficient. So if a punch delivers 0.096 kilocalories of metabolizable energy, of kinetic energy, the body might use about 0.384 to 0.48 kilocalories of metabolic energy to generate it. Meaning, much as Akol used a lot of energy, he also lost a lot of energy before the energy went. Now let me know if Akol's energy was not to get lost on the way before hitting the head, what could be the extent of the damage on the head of Zaake? Thank you so much, and thank you for watching this vlog. If you subscribe to Acholi TV, you will keep getting more like this. It's a fact check. We wanted to find out the issue of 65 kilograms by Olenchan Robinson, which was, I think, is a joke. We needed to find the science part of it. That is the maximum weight and energy a human body can deliver. Thank you so much. I wish you a nice time.